boy's electric, as regular now. His boy's electric. His boy's electric. What's up? Good morning. Namaste. Happy Sunday to all of you. पीछे से लाइट आ रही है. And welcome back to my channel. Wow. It's been long. It's been very, very long. थोड़ा सा मैं कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे दूँ आपको इस दिन का. मैं 2 दिन से 2.5 डेज से मैं घर पे ही हूँ, कहीं नहीं गई हूँ. लॉन्ग वीकेंड है ये. सोई बहुत कम हूँ और मैं आपको बताऊंगी क्यों मैं सोई कम हूँ. आई थिंक आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम इन हियर, say hi, it's been long, give you a little bit of context on what's been up, what is going to be up, and what can you expect out of this. So let me start with doing one of those skincare रील. मेरी स्किन बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है डूड. मैं सोई नहीं हूँ. माई पीरियड इज लेट, रियली लेट. ऑनेस्टली दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स हैपनिंग. यूजुअली आई एम द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसका पीरियड मैक्सिमम 2 दिन लेट होता है, बट ऑनेस्टली आज तो बहुत लेट है यार दिस टाइम. Big updates that I can give you is that I've moved out of my house from like my parents' house, and I have my own place now, and I'm in Bombay. And very coaching maybe change आया because I used to do online coaching a lot first, then I stopped it kind of, and then I moved to PT. Now I am in a mix of PT, virtual, and I've started online as well. So if you are someone who's looking to be a part of my community, be a part of my coaching, just go to my Instagram, give me a message, and I'll come back to you. I also have few forms that I will link down below, so you can check that out for yourself. That's there. That was a big update. One of the reasons कि मुझसे ये vlogging नहीं हो रहा था is because I'm a little confused मुझे कहाँ देखना है, so please like ignore. It's been a long time, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं authentically नहीं show up कर पा रही हूँ इस जगह पे. इधर देखो. And I just needed a break because with the shift, with changing my work, कैसे काम करना है, with starting from scratch in a new place, it was really anxious, man. Like I feel like my entire year there has been an undertone of anxiety, which this year I'm trying to work on, and it is not easy. It's not easy. I'm a little bit of overthinker, I feel, and it's not easy to break it and be more simplistic in your thinking, which is very important. But anyway, I would say I've progressed a lot in my journey personally, and of course professionally a lot, but I would say personally बहुत ज़्यादा ups and downs आए हैं मेरे journey में, and I feel I just couldn't get myself to be there opening that part of me in out in the open. And now I'll tell you कि चेंज क्या ऐसा आया है कि मैं ओके हूँ अब ये करने में. तो सबसे पहली बात, आई वॉन्ट टू बी ओके शेयरिंग फ्यू पार्ट्स ऑफ मी लाइक दिस ऑनलाइन इज बिकॉज dude, I really feel there is still a little bit of lack of authenticity with how people show up. And when I say lack, I don't mean that वो दिखाना नहीं चाहते. I mean that in the world of such small attention span, why would I show the other messy part of me when I can in that 10 seconds show the path that I've achieved, what I have done in my life, what I'm planning to do, and all that. And I feel like YouTube is one platform where you can show the other side as well. And I'm not saying, oh, I want to come and cry. I'm saying that I might want to talk about things that people don't talk about, and maybe things that I've spoken about on podcasts and everything, but not shared from that personal perspective to the audience, and not that I'm talking to someone else on podcast. So A, I want to be able to do that. B, मुझे ट्राई करना है, मुझे देखना है मुझे कैसा फील हो रहा है. पहले मुझे अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा था तो मैंने छोड़ दिया. अभी मेरा ये ट्रायल पीरियड है, एंड आई थिंक इन द ट्रायल पीरियड आई विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज इट दैट आई एम liking, what is it that I'm disliking, because I know there were few parts that I really liked with it. So there was like authenticity, there is exploration, curiosity, and third is I want to log my training a little bit. The other big part that you need to know is that I was struggling with a gut health issue last year, जो अभी भी है, because ऐसे चला नहीं जाता. I'm working on healing that part. There is a little bit of IBS involved in this as well, which everyone now talk about. But there is also some structural problem that I have inside, which has been tested. And when I feel comfortable, I'll share that part as well. But just know that it has been a journey. Like it's not easy to have something chronic in you. And gut is something that really affects your entire day, man. Like it's not just oh mujhe pet dard ho raha hai, I'm okay. It is my mood is affected, my skin is affected, my energy levels are my energy levels are affected, and that part was also tough. So that was another update that I had. But on the other hand, I feel coaching wise, I feel really happy. I was able to again start PT, which is one on one. And कभी कभी अपने काम को प्यार करने के लिए तुम्हें ग्राउंड में जाना पड़ता है, the root level of love. And I feel the root level of love for me, coaching, in respect to coaching, is training someone one on one. But I'm also now, of course, starting to go more online because I was missing it. I was really missing having people from different parts of the world and training with me, and that also in itself forming like a community. Now we will come to my training, but मेरे को पहले वाइसली नहीं दिख रहे हैं, मेरे को वाइसली दिख गया मेरे को. So मैंने ट्रेनिंग बहुत रिसेंटली अच्छे से स्टार्ट करी है और मुझे वो मज़ा और वो फील आने लग गई है. सो टच वर्ड, लाइक बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है to like go and crush it. This week was not the best, and I'll show you why. I'll show you why I haven't slept. वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, घर पे बैठी. ये सोने नहीं देता यार मेरे को. Skipper, what's up, bro? That I feel has been a really strong point for me because that's one training, like even if my gut is not feeling well, I was training it well. Now shoulder is also a part which I feel is great, arms great. What is lacking is a little bit of butt. मुझे बताना था आपको कि मेरा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम क्या चल रहा है. सो आई एम ट्रेनिंग राइट नाउ 4 days a week. Earlier I was training 3 days a week because that was very realistic for me to make it happen. So Feb I had my brother's wedding, which was like a first family wedding, so it was really huge. So full Jan went into preparation. Feb post wedding was the post wedding blues. Then I started training and मैंने धीरे धीरे किया. Feb और March was 3 days a week, but when I was training, I think in March मेरा एक ऐसा अट्यूनमेंट बैठ गया था कि अगर मैं ट्रेन कर रही हूँ तो सिर्फ ट्रेन कर रही हूँ, एंड दैट इज a zone that you get into, and I think I've come into that zone. So now I will start 4 days a week. I am focusing on muscle growth, I'm focusing on overall athleticism a little bit as well. Aesthetics is my main focus, and overall athleticism is going to be, of course, an umbrella for me, that I'm able to move better. I'm always able to, because I'm a sporty kid, so I like to play. तो अगर मैं खेलने जा रही हूँ कुछ भी, तो मैं I'm able to move better. I have at least base level stamina to be able to run and play around. And yeah, I hope you come along in this journey with me. मेरे साथ grow करो, मेरे साथ lessons सीखो life के, and मेरे साथ थोड़ा बनाओ. I'm going to see you next week. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखो, अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रखो, and don't forget to move and do your 1% every day.